Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I am going to be telling you guys how to make your very own little journal that you can write in. So yeah, let's get to it. The things that you will need is a stapler, scissors, and 8 sheets of printed paper. The first thing that you need to do is take one sheet of your piece of paper and fold it in half hamburger ways. And then unfold it, and then fold it hot dog ways. And unfold it. You should have 4 sheets of paper. Do this to every single one of your papers. Once you're done folding your papers, you want to cut in the lines. Off the excess. Once you're done cutting, you want to divide these into 4 groups. Once you divided them into 4 groups, you want to staple one side of each group. Once you've stapled them, you want to take 2. Make sure that the staples are on the left. You want to put them together like this. Over here should be, both of the staples should be lined up. Then you want to take the stapler and staple where there is no staples. Now you might be asking, well, Fatima, how are you going to stick these 2 together? The stapler doesn't go that deep. Well, you tape them together. Now you have your notebook, but when you open it halfway, there will be this huge tape gap. So you want to get a piece of tape that is that long, and you definitely don't want to put it on your lips. You want to fold it in half. Oh, let me show it to you again. So here is the book, and then you open it halfway, and then you do that. And then you want to take your tape out, place it at the edge of the book, like this, and then you want to fold it to the other side, like that. I'm going to print out a picture from my computer, and then I'm going to cut it out so it's going to fit on my journal. I am doing this pattern. I got my picture. Now I'm going to cut it out. Now that I cut it out, I am going to tape it. enjoyed my video, and I will see you guys next time.